Okay.
Wow, what a way to leave, huh?
Yeah. You want me to turn this light off?
Yeah.
Our cute little house. Locked. Okay. See you in 6 weeks.
So we're going out to Bed Bath & Beyond, and somebody slid out of the parking lot and couldn't stop, and then I couldn't stop. Hey, his name was Dong. His car is messed up.
Oh no, really?
I can't find a scratch on this truck, but I took down all of his information, and I texted him my name and number. You know, it was his fault, so if there's any damage, you know, he'll have to pay for it, but I can't find a scratch on the truck. He was going, look at this guy sliding out. Look, what are these people doing?
Oh!
This is a slope, and they're sliding.
Oh man, I wish I could have got that. And all those people up there.
I know, he's
all,
like he didn't hit someone.
Do
you see anything?
No.
I see nothing.
Maybe just like scuffs. I mean, he ran into us hard.
So after a little bit more assessment, it turns out we hit him with the tire and the rim.
Well, we didn't hit him. He hit us.
Well, that's true. He hit us, and I went out of the way, used my Bondurant skills, and anyway, I tried to just get out of his way.
Right.
And then he ended up T-boning us in the tire, which is the best possible spot, maybe. So once we get down below 5,000 feet, it stops snowing, we get on the I-17, we get up to 60 miles per hour, then we'll know if we have an issue with our tire or our wheel. He was the one that, what do they say, failure to control your vehicle?
Yield.
Yield, failure, something failed.
Something failed.
Something failed. Okay. We all here? Oh wait, hold on. We are.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
The boys are incredibly hyper because they didn't go to bed. Their solution for waking up early was just not to go to sleep. And I were waiting for the
big time. Just the drool is gonna start.
Boarding pass acquired.
I think maybe we should do a marketing Tori's tips when we land.
Get here 3 hours.
Get here 3 hours early. Tip number 1.
Because it is 5:52.
Today's been eventful.
What time is it?
All I know is you're supposed to start early.
We started at 3:30. You woke up at 3:30 a.m.
Actually, I woke up at 2:57 by myself with no alarm because I was worried.
Yes. Well, I guess the secret's out now. We're in Hawaii.
For an hour and a half.
We're not gonna quite give it away
Are you sure
yet.
you don't want to just stay here?
This is pretty nice.
It's pretty nice.
75 degrees, breezy.
Flight attendants will not disturb you when the oxygen stars are illuminated and doing our compliance check. In just a few moments, flight attendants will be coming through the cabin to pass out the New Zealand Customs and Immigration form.
Okay, we are through customs. Carson accidentally hit yes to having a prison record, so he had to go talk to someone, but other than that, it went pretty smooth. She said to him, you still have plenty of time to establish your criminal record. So then we're gonna Uber to the Airbnb, which is 23 minutes away, and then go to bed, release the video in the morning. Let's get the thoughts from the troops. Trish, how was the 15 to 18 hours of flying?
The first leg was fine. The second leg was a little
Yeah, the second leg was 9 hours. It did feel a little long. Welcome everyone to New Zealand while I take a seat.
Welcome to New Zealand. Auckland, New Zealand, that is.
Yes. Were you surprised? We thought it'd be fun to make it a surprise.
It's pretty cool.
We think it's cool.
Well, right now.
Oh, is this yours?
Yes.
Looks delicious.
Yeah, it's vitamin C. I'm trying to stay healthy.
There we go.
All that airplane travel.
Yes.
So,
we've already learned so much. And we thought what we would do is share with you what the plan is, because we're going to be here for 6 weeks, and we wanted to bring you up to speed as to what we plan to do with Tori for the first 2 weeks.
Yes.
What about the RV? What is our route? Some of the things we've learned, and if anyone travels internationally or wants to RV internationally, we wanted to pave the way.
Yes. With a place that's gorgeous and speaks English.
we thought
we'd take the easy route.
New Zealand's kind of the gateway country to international RVing.
RVing.
Everyone's so friendly.
So nice.
It's summer here, which is part of the reason why we're here. Do you recall in Alaska, Kenai, Alaska, when we said...
Got my ski jacket. I remember saying in Texas, like, because I was wearing this very same jacket.
Yeah.
When are we gonna see the sun? We haven't accomplished that yet, so just know that that's on my radar.
Okay, so let's bring you up to speed. We are here for the first 2 weeks with Tori. She's off of winter break from college. And so what we're gonna do for the first, I guess, 10, 13 days is to Airbnb around the North Island. This is kind of our route right now. And we're just going from Airbnb to Airbnb, and
I can't wait to get in a rig. I'll tell you that right now.
yeah, and we're gonna rent a car because we've already been here for a couple days just to bring you up to speed. And so there's some trials and tribulations of traveling like that that we're not quite used to. I'm not over here because I was expecting to get in the car. I'm over here because I just wanted to say hi. Now let me go to the other side. Wow, that is trippy.
That is weird.
What don't you like?
This whole like being on this side and everything's really, really small. Like it's a big
small.
It's a big car,
You're
but
used to the
squished.
truck. No, 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 lady friend.
Hey,
Air conditioning ruins audio, okay?
but I'm hot.
Well then aim it on yourself. You're in charge of directions. And I want a reminder at every intersection to stay to the left, because those are the difficult times I've noticed when we've been here. Like,
Oh my gosh, you can go right out and you don't have to like.
I know. Here we go. So far so good.
Prepare to turn left in 500 meters.
What?
How does it know where we're going? Share with everyone what you learned about countries that drive on the right versus left, and show them the map.
Okay, this is the map. All of North America, some of Africa, most of Europe, excluding the United Kingdom, all drive on the right-hand side.
So actually most of the world, when we looked at the color-coded map, drives on the
You're
right.
gonna be turning left.
And I think...
Right here, get in that lane.
Whoa,
Turn left
that's the
at
windshield.
traffic light.
Stopping. Wait. Green arrow.
No!
Whoa.
Left!
Oh,
Left!
God. So embarrassing. My windshield wipers. My windshield wipers are on.
215
And I'm
meters. Turn
turning.
right onto
Thank you.
Stanley Street.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was my first turn. Failure. Epic failure.
Oh my God.
Saw a lovely lady walking
Is that Mom?
with a
groceries?
big, great, big Columbia hat on. Columbia-esque, a New Zealand hat, a full brim hat, and a backpack full of groceries. So let's just stay here. Oh, no, don't say anything. And let's just see if she recognizes us. All right, so let's, Tori, real quick here. Let's do a quick Mark and Tori's tips.
Found her. I think she's
Once
on
I
the
get
phone.
Tori a little less distracted here, we'll have a little Mark and Tori's
Hi.
tips. Okay,
Mark
so
and Tori's tips.
driving
Number
tips.
1.
Driving on the left.
Driving tip number 1.
Yes.
Have a passenger.
Yeah.
So that
yes.
you don't go
That's a
into
good one. I think
right
the
lane.
first time you start driving on the left, I was gonna go pick up the car by myself. I thought Caleb was gonna come with me, and then he wanted to sleep. Then Tori wanted to come. She's been waking up super early because she takes these morning shifts at Dutch. So that's really good. Anyhow, so yeah, I think that's a great tip. Have someone with you to help remind you and someone to talk to.
You almost went into the right lane.
I know.
And that one car was like, his windshield wipers are
Yes,
on. Like,
yes. All right, tip number 2. I've been saying to myself before every intersection, I've been saying, stay left. In my mind, I'm like, in fact, sometimes I'll even say it as staying left, staying left, staying left. That's especially important when you're turning right because you have to go across the entire lane.
Really
That's
weird.
the weirdest one. Turning left in the left lane kind of feels like you're turning left on a one-way street in the States, but turning right is definitely weird. So, so there's that. That's tip number 2. Tori, tip 3?
Tip number 3, maybe take the little starter course when we go to the...
Yeah.
They were like, oh, are you accustomed?
I took it though. I did.
You did?
And I answered the question right about what to do if sheep are coming toward the vehicle. You wait for the farmer to tell you what to do. You slow and stop and wait for the farmer to tell you what to do.
And what do you do for a living, Mr. Fletch? I'm a shepherd.
Okay,
You took the whole course?
I took a lot of it. The other thing is, the blinker and the windshield wipers, tip 4, the blinker and the windshield wipers is the weirdest thing. So I turn the windshield wipers on, so before I do the blinker, I put my hand on I occupy my left hand, so the only hand I have available is my right hand. Let's see if Trish sees this. She's walking by. I'll honk if she's not.
Honk.
Hello!
Hi.
How are you?
Great.
Here, I'll unlock.
See me down there?
Yeah.
I saw you. Come join us.
Hello.
I saw a Colombian-looking grocery store woman.
Yes, that's me.
All right, we're just doing a Mark and Tori's tips on driving on the left.
Oh,
Wait,
good.
driving on the right.
Driving
on the left from the right. So Tori, tip number 5. Do you have one? I'm all out of tips.
Mom needs tip number 5.
Mom, do you have a tip for driving on the left?
Don't get
From
in the
the
car
right?
with strangers.
All right, I guess that's all we have. We'll share more tips as we learn what's going on.
Tip.
Yes.
When you're crossing the road, you have to look the other direction.
I don't want to say we almost got hit by cars, but you walk out and you're like, wait.
And you want to look that way, and you have to look this
Yeah.
way, and it's...
The whole thing's a lot of fun though. It's a lot of fun. All right, you ready to go, Mom?
Now let's talk about the South Island. So we pick up the RV on February 13th, and it's a kind of a big Class C, January 13th, and it's a big Class C. It's in meters. I can't remember how many meters, I think. And then we're gonna take that down into Wellington, and we're gonna cross over the bay, and then we're gonna head around the South Island counterclockwise, going up to Nelson, and then down the west coast where all the fjords are and the glaciers, and we're gonna hopefully make our way.
That's right, there's glaciers here.
Isn't it amazing? And then we're gonna go down into Queenstown, which we've just heard amazing things about, and then make our way up the east and through Christchurch, and then up and cross the bridge, and then we'll cross the ferry again, and then we'll make our way back into Auckland, and so we'll be here for about 6 weeks. That is the plan, but we're gonna share with you more details as we get going.
So anyway, we wanted to share with you, we are in New Zealand. We are super excited to share with you what it's like to RV. And although everyone speaks the same language and is totally kind, and we're very used to the currency because it's very similar to Canada, you are driving on the other side of the road. So we're going to share that with you. We're going to share what it's like to go grocery shopping. We have so many things.
Yes, so much to share, so much to come. This is season 6.
Can we go at 10? I think we need to go in and see about the bus pass.
Okay.
Okay?
A lot of activities happening there.
Okay.
Okay, so take that bus. At least this way you see the island. You go through Uniwara first, which is our village.
It's nice to see the kids get along.
So fun.
Have we turned a corner?
No. I'm just having a moment.
I feel
That's
like-
why you appreciate the moments.
I suppose, but I think there are fewer of the other moments happening.
Well, yeah, because Tori's like a guest. You know.
All right.
Yeah.
That's good.
So they take care of her about more.
A little bit more.
Didn't want to get my feet sandy after I got them clean.
But I suggested it, you know. I was the one that really made it happen.
you know.
You're the rainmaker.
Exactly.
What are you doing?
I didn't want to get my feet.
Here, wait,
Sandy.
Cinderella. Here we go. There's one.
Is that one sandy?
A little bit.
Ah! Thanks, bro.
What's the water temp?
Warm and perfect.
Really?
Yeah.
Like swimmable?
Yeah.
Very.
It's like really awesome.
Wow. Okay.
All right.
want to get some floaties, sit in it, and just chill.
Well, let's see the different towns and then we can just sit by the water.
Kind of got off to a little bit of a slow start when we got here, and mainly because as soon as we landed, we had to deal with jet lag, and we had to figure out the car rental, and we had to do like SIM cards, and we had to get the video out, and all sorts of stuff. And so we kind of were cooped up inside. So we needed to get out, and we found ourselves having a hard time trying to figure out planning using the internet. It's like we might as well have been in Arizona, but we were in New Zealand on the internet. We needed to go out into the wild and start talking to people. Someone said there's a little shortcut through here.
You gotta see that though.
What's
it says bushwalk 10 minutes. It's
Yes.
hilarious. Yeah.
So now we're just, now we're taking a little shortcut over here to Cable Winery, which is where we're gonna have lunch. Have you noticed the Kiwi accent starting already to come through? I say Cable Winery. You see that? It's the little tilde on the end.
We're gonna let that be up to the locals whether you have that or not.
It's
Like
like
everything
the A's
you-
and the O's.
Like everything you do, you just have to end with it's a little bit of a question. You know what I mean? Like that? A little bit of a,
This is
yeah?
awesome. That's good.
Yeah, you like that, Caleb? Caleb keeps asking me when we're gonna be there, and I said we're just gonna walk. We're gonna walk up this road and then probably be right over there.
Is this an American thing?
Tori said I'm getting better. What do you think, Trish? Is it getting better? No comment from Trish?
It's like, look at this. It's gorgeous. There's every kind of wine. There's tastings. There's lunch. There's a gorgeous view. Does it get any better?
Well, you have to walk up here unless you have a bus pass, so it gets better when you have a bus pass. And it gets better.
Caleb's going down.
You did your